Again, welcome to all of you, class 8th International Mathematics Olympiad. And this questions contain 50 total number of questions, and time is given 1 hour. Four sections as a divided earlier. I told you in the previous classes sample question prefer. So here logical reasoning for 15 question each contain 1 marks. Mathematical reasoning questions 20 contains and each question 1 marks. Everyday mathematics also has 10 questions and each question contain 1 mark. The last one is the achiever section. 5 questions and each question contain 3 marks. About the syllabus of class 8th Indian Mathematics or the International Mathematics Olympiad from India. Okay. So if I'm talking about the syllabus, so we can say verbal and non-verbal reasoning, the first section. The second is rational numbers, squares, square roots, cube roots, exponent, power, comparing quantities, algebraic expression, identities, linear equation, one variable, understanding, quadrilaterals, constructions, mensuration, visualizing solid shape, data handling, direct and inverse proportion, variations, factorization, introduction of the graph, playing with numbers, and the third parts contain syllabus as per section 2, and the last one is HOT, higher order thinking questions as per syllabus section 2. Okay, now question number 1, pointing to a man, a photograph, a woman says he is only son. He is only son. Okay, of the only daughter-in-law of my only son's father. Of my only son's father. Okay, it means he is only son of the only daughter-in-law. Okay, it means son's daughter-in-law of only son's father. It means there are 3 generations are. So suppose only 2 generations, so these relation must be considered as a son, daughter, whatever. But the next generation also, so there are 2 generations gap. So how is the man related to the women? So man must be the grandson of the women because 2 generations are involved, or 2 you can say, no? There are 2 gaps. So one, it means this is grandmother, then it's son, and then son. So son is what? Grandson. So first question done. Now go to the next question. Here in this question we have a 3 different position of the dices. In the first dice there are number given 2, 3, 6. In the second 3, 5, 1. Then 6, 3, 1. We need to find which number is opposite to which number opposite to, just a second. Yeah, which number opposite to the face 1. Okay, so for face 1 we can say number not must be 3, number must be 5. Why? Because these 2 numbers appearing together with 1. Always remember, in dice opposite number cannot visible. Why? It always hidden. Suppose 1 is here, so its opposite must be in this side. 1 is here, its opposite must be in this side. Similarly, suppose 2 is there, its opposite must be in this side, the bottom side, which is not appear, may not seen. So the first thing is that there are numbers like a 6, 6, 3 and 5. They are not opposite. Okay, now move to the MCQs or options. Here the options are given 6, 3, 5. So these 3 options are omitted. So last will be what? 2. So 2 must be the correct answer of this question. We can go with the B or 2. Now, move to the next question. In this question, 3 digits of each of the following, wait, yeah. So the digit of each of the following 5 numbers are written in reverse order and 5 new numbers are obtained. Okay. So can you guess, when you reverse the digit of each of the following 5 numbers are written in reverse order and 5 new numbers are obtained. It means 513. So before this, it must be 315. This is 726. So before it, 627. 492, the number must be 294. 865 must be 568. And 149 must be 941. So this would be the order I think earlier was. Which of the following will be the third digit of the second highest new number? Which of the following is the third digit number, second highest new number? It means, so sorry, I think, yeah. So which of the following will be the third digit of the second highest new number? Again, I need to write down because so as the question tells us, second highest, the first highest is what? 941, and the second highest must be 627. So in 627, which is the third digit of the second highest new number? Third digit. So first digit, second digit, and third digit. So third digit of second highest number is what? 7. So we will go with the 7 as answer. Okay, now move to the next question. So in this question, the area of rectangle is given as a 6x square plus 4yx, and the width of the rectangle is given by 2xy. Find the perimeter of rectangle. So first of all, if numbers are given in algebraic variables, so always remember we have a formula for this, and the formula is what? Area is equal to I just use the same. So area is equal to length multiply breadth. So width is given. It means what we has, L multiplied W is equal to area, or L is what? A divided by W, A over W. Now area is what? 6x square plus 4y square x. It means we need to write down 6x square y plus 4y square x, and we divide it by the value 2xy. Okay, my dear. Now taking common from the both number as a xy, and also I think 2. So you get 3 x, you take common, so 1x is here, y already common, and y is double times, x is single times, xy you need take common, so 2 only remain. So 2y, and we already has 2xy, so 2xy both are cancelled. So length is basically what? 3x plus 2y. So length is what? L is equal to 3x plus 2y, and w is equal to what? 2xy. Okay, dear. Now to find the perimeter of any rectangle, P is equal to 2L plus B. P is equal to L plus B or L plus W. Okay, multiply with 2L plus W. Okay, now suppose 2 is here, and when you add these numbers, so you get 3x plus 2y plus 2xy. 3x plus 2y plus 2xy. Okay, 2x plus 2y plus 2xy. Now, when you multiply it, so 2x become 4x, 2y become 4y, and 2xy become 4xy. So which of the following has the same? No, so this is 3x, sorry, I had a mistake. So this is 6x. So 6x plus 4y plus 4xy. So we go with the D answers because we found already the length is 3x plus 2y. I hope you clear. Do not very panic about these questions because variables always remember. If you understand the concept of variables, how to add, how to subtract, when we take the common, so you can do the question easier. Okay, if you need individual special videos of any particular topic, you can comment me. I will make a separate video for that. And please support us, and you can give your positive negative feedback for me because I just started this series, and this series is really very helpful for class 1 to class 8. All kind of the question we cover in this series. So please support us, be with us, motivate us by giving your comment, valuable comments. Now move to the next question. Here in this question, in a class of 100 students, 30% students offered English, 20% offered Hindi. If a student is selected at random, then what is the probability that he has offered English? 30% basically is what? 30 divided by 100. Okay, number of students also same. It means in every 100 question we are selecting 30 students. Now when we take zeros from it and make it the simplest fraction, we get 3 divided by 10, 3 over 10. So our answer will be selected the students is 3 divided by 10. Okay, I hope you cleared. I think the same answer will be given. Yeah, this will be our answer, D number. Now, my dear, move to the next question. The question is given in exponent format. 3 raised to x plus y is equal to 81. The second equation is given 81x minus y is equal to 3 raised to 8. So first of all, we need to convert the base of this number. Same means 81 can be right here as a 3 raised to 4. By prime factorization, 81 can be written 3 as a 4 times 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 3. So 3 times 9 and 3 times 9 multiply 9 become 81. So this is his way to find out how we make it 3 raised to power 4. Similarly, 81 can written here 3 4 and x minus y is equal to 3 raised 8. Now when you multiply, so you get 3, 4x minus 4y is equal to 3 raised 8. Okay. Now we have a two equation, and the first equation is what? We have x plus y is equal to 4, and the second is y, 4x minus 4y is equal to 8. It means when you divide this, so you get x minus y is equal to 2. Okay, I divide entire equation by 4. Now you can add first and third. So when you add first and third equation, so y cancel, 2x is what? 6, or x is equal to 3. When we got x is equal to 3 on putting this value in here, so 3 plus y is equal to 4, y is equal to 1. So x will be 3, y will be 1. So is there any option for this? Yeah, the option is given, first one, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 1. You also put the value and satisfy the equation. For example, this will be, if you put here as a x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3, so this number will be negative. So negative of it's what? 81 raised to 1 minus 3 means what? 81 raised to minus 2, which is the negative powers having this kind of the numbers. So this is, I think, completely wrong. So we can go with the first answers. By putting value, you can verify your answer. Now move to the question number next. In question number 7, Sanket earned twice as much as this month of March as in each of the other months of the year. What parts of his entire annual earning was earned in March? Sanket earned twice as much as in the month of March as in each of the other months of the year. Okay. So the total of the ages of the Jia, Kunal and Sagar is 93 years. 10 years ago, the ratio of their age was 2, 3 and 4. What is the present age of the Sagar? Okay, so the Jia, Kunal and Sagar. I related Jia, Kunal and Sagar. Okay, so 10 years ago the ratio. 10 years ago, suppose that Jia is 2x. 2x, then 10 years ago what? 2x minus 10. Okay, and this will be 3x minus 10 and this will be 4x minus 10. Now total age is, current age is given 93. So if you subtract 10 from 93, no, it's I think, so we start from here as ratios before 10 years. It means what? 2x minus 10. Okay, 2x minus 10 plus 3x minus 10 plus 4x. No, it's positive plus 4x plus 10. Why we use plus 10? Because it's 10 years ago. It means that present age must be 10 years added in given age. 2 ratio 3 ratio 4. So 2x, suppose that 10 years ago is. So what is current age? Current age must be 2x plus 10. It means suppose you are 15 years ago only 6 years old. So it means current age is what? 15 plus 6, 21. So same process will apply here. Suppose that you are 8 years ago, you are just 2. So current is what? 2 plus 8, 10 years. Similarly, these 10 years we added to all the numbers, and this is what? 93, because the present is given 93. Now, if you add this 2x plus 3, then 4, so you get 9x. And 10 plus 10 plus 10 is what? 30 is equal to 93. Now transfer this, so 9x is what? 63. When you subtract 30 from 93, you get 63, or x is equal to what? You get 97 times 63 is 7. So x is what, my dears? 7. We get x as 7. X as 7. So we need to find the age of the Sagar. So Sagar's age 10 years ago is what? 4 multiply 7, which is equal to 28, because we let it as a 4x. Now 28 years is what? This age was 10 years ago. So current age must be 28 plus 10, which is equal to 38 years. Means Sagar's age current is 38 years. Is there any option of 30 years? Yeah, 38, this one. So we will go with this one. Now move to the next question. This question is very interesting because we have a solid shape, 3D shape, and we need to find out the which is correct of them. We don't need to count all the numbers. We just use only Euler's formula. As we already aware the Euler's formula. If you don't know, so please learn it and write it. This is the formula given by the Euler's. It means faces plus vertices minus edges is equal to 2. So we just apply this formula. If any of the equation is not satisfied, this is any of the values not satisfied this equation, it means that would be wrong. So we just start from the first one. 7 plus 10 17, 17 minus 15 you get 2. Now 10 plus 16 26 minus 24 is equal to 2. Done. 7 plus 7 is 14, 14 minus 14, my god, 0. So this is not the values that is followed by the Euler's. It means C is our incorrect match. Okay, now move to the next question. In question number 10 we have a diagram where BA is equal to BR. Okay, and PQ is parallel to okay, we need to find XYZ. So 29, it must be 29 because it's make a isosceles triangle. So this basically what 29, when you add these two, so it's become I think you can say it's 58. 29 plus 29 by taking the in triangle RAD. Okay, we need to find this angle only. So 29 plus 29 is what? If you take it as a 29, 58. So before this we just go with the ARB. Okay, do not go with that. ARB. It's 29, this 29, so this value must be, we need to find, or we directly, we need to find this value. So to 58, when you subtract 58 from 180, so what you get? 122. So this is 122. So this is what? This is also 58. So 58, x is equal to 58. Is there any option? Two option for the x, which is 58. Now move to the y. So for y, if you get x is this one, 58 and 50, so add this, though you get 108. 108 means we easily find out this number. 108, it means this is 72. Now 72 and 72 is here. It make 72. This is the 72 and wait, it makes parallel 32. So this as an alternate angle 32. So 32 is there, 72 is there, or this one is 108. Now add 108 plus 32, you get 140. So as z become 40 degree, because when you add both number and subtract by 180 as a property of triangles, you get 40. So 40 in the option of first one. So x is 58, z is 40. So no need to find the other angle, it must be the same as a way. So go with the A answer. So such a way we need to calculate, don't calculate overall the sums, just use your brain too and do the questions quickly, save your time. This is only the fundamental to success in Maths Olympiad. Thank you so much for watching this video. And now after these 10 samples paper, I am going to go with the topic wise all the solutions. So stay with us. Bye bye, take care.